Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you all will be fine. Welcome to online studies. Today we are going to start our third term syllabus, Unit 11, Magnetism. Recall, magnets can be used to separate materials that are magnetic from those which are non-magnetic. As we know, magnets are used to separate magnetic materials from non-magnetic materials. And after reading this unit, you will learn that magnets are useful. Some materials are magnetic and others are not. A magnet has a north pole and a south pole. Opposite poles attract each other. Magnets need to be stored carefully to prevent demagnetization. Let's start reading. What is a magnet? Magnets come in many shapes, size, and strength. They can push or pull magnetic objects without touching them. They are usually made of iron or steel. This is U-shaped magnet. This is bar magnet and horseshoe magnet. Look at the magnets above. Where are their poles? Let's start explanation. What is a magnet? Magnets can push or pull magnetic objects without touching them. It means without touching any objects or materials, we can separate magnetic materials from non-magnetic materials with the help of magnet. Magnets can vary in shape, size, and also in strength. For example, there are various shapes of magnet and their uses. For example, there may be a bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, disc magnet, sphere magnet, cylinder magnet, and a ring magnet. But there are mentioned three types of magnets: U-shaped magnet, bar magnet, and a horseshoe magnet. A magnet has two ends called poles. A magnet has a north pole and a south pole. For example, look here. This is a bar magnet and it has two ends or poles. This is north pole and this is south pole. Similarly, in U-shaped magnet, this is north pole and this is south pole. In bar magnet, this is north pole and this is south pole. Next one. What can a magnet do? A magnet can pull things made of iron and steel towards it. Iron is magnetic, so any metal with iron in it will be attracted to a magnet. Most other metals are not magnetic. Let's start explanation. As we know, magnets are usually made of iron or steel. So, any material that is made of iron, steel, and nickel will be attracted towards a magnet. Magnets attract certain materials such as iron, nickel, cobalt, certain steels, and other alloys too. Magnets exert attractive or repulsive forces on other magnets. Next, magnetic materials. Materials that are pulled by a magnet are called magnetic materials. What are magnetic materials? The materials which get attracted towards a magnet are called magnetic materials. For example, iron, nickel, and cobalt. These are the examples of magnetic materials. Next one, do you know the Earth is a huge magnet? Its magnetic field is like a bar magnet at its center. The crust of the Earth has some permanent magnetization and the Earth can generate its own magnetic field. So, we could say Earth is a magnet. Now discuss and answer. Find a range of objects. Which ones do you think are magnetic? Test your guesses by trying to pick up the objects using a magnet. Keep a record of which things are magnetic and which things are not. What materials are magnetic? Now there is an activity and try to do this by using a magnet, that which things are magnetic and which are not. For example, rubber is a non-magnetic material. It will not be pulled by a magnet. So try to identify different materials that are magnetic and non-magnetic with the help of magnet. Now come to our next page, page 99. Magnetic field. An iron, nickel or steel object is pulled towards a magnet if it is close to it. Why is that? The object is made of magnetic material. As the magnet is moved further away, the magnetic power or pull on the object becomes weaker. The area of invisible force around a magnet is called the magnetic field. Let's start explanation. What is magnetic field? Basically, magnetic field is the area around a magnet in which there is a magnetic force. This is an area around a magnet where there is a magnetic force or magnetic power. If any object or material is near to the magnetic power or pull on the object is stronger. And if the object is moved further away, the magnetic power or pull on the object becomes weaker. Next, do you know where magnets are found? Magnets are found in telephones, speakers, computers, washing machines, television, and even some high-speed trains. Okay, thank you so much, students. Take care and Allah Hafiz.